How do you build your project? Which build system? Also debugging. My editor here that I'm using is NeoVim, but I also do have this set up to work with Visual Studio Code. Our build system is either a batch file or a shell script. If you're on Windows, you're going to be using one of the batch files, and if you're on Mac or Linux, you're going to be using one of these shell scripts. Typically speaking, you'll want to do a debug build. This debug build reaches into the build all script, and then we pass to that platform for Windows, build, and debug. But ultimately, we call make. We have a make file, one for executables and one for libraries. We use Clang as our compiler because I can use the same configuration cross-platform. I could just tweak a couple of flags here and there in terms of what gets included and what gets linked. I can very easily add a new executable and a new library and it works, right? Debugging is done through VS Code right now. I am testing some third-party debuggers, but I'm not comfortable with any of them enough to use on stream yet. So that's the reason I'm using VS Code for my debugger.